terms of crypto and regulations. Ylan Mui joins us now with that story. Hey, Ylan.
Well, good morning, Joe. Voters of both parties are skeptical of the crypto industry, but still believe it could be the future of finance. That's a finding from a new poll out today from the Crypto Council for Innovation, whose members include Coinbase, FTX, and Andreessen Horowitz. It found about a third of voters have a favorable view of crypto, compared to 40% who are unfavorable. And more than half of voters said the industry needs more regulation. Only 7% said it should have less. However, voters are split over which party they trust to do it, with nearly even numbers for Democrats versus Republicans. But one key trend in this data is how well crypto polls with young people and Black and Latino voters. More than a third of Latinos said they'd be more likely to support a candidate who's positive on crypto. 30% of Black Americans said they would, the highest levels of any demographic groups. In fact, one of the main reasons that voters overall are excited about crypto is the ability to reach the unbanked. The other is its role as an alternative to what the poll called big banks and Wall Street power brokers. So guys, a plurality of voters, 41%, thinks that crypto does have a lot of potential, but has yet to deliver. And that is true for Republicans, Democrats, and for independents. Back over to you.
I don't think anything you said surprises me, actually, at all. I guess I would have probably expected numbers very similar to what you just said. Given the what we've seen over the past 10 years, you alternately see all the promise, and then at the same time you see all of the pitfalls that come with something that's so new, i.e. Matt Damon. Do we like him or not like him at this point? or anyone that, there's stadiums named after crypto, which is, when Bitcoin's, it's bizarre.
One thing that was interesting in this poll is just the number of voters who say that they own crypto, something like 13%. And again, that was sort of across the board, Republican, Democrat, Independent. So those holdings are pretty significant, more than the number of people who said they hold commodities or ETFs or mutual funds. So I think that's important. And then the other big takeaway here is what this says about how crypto should position itself in Washington for whoever controls Congress after the election. Voters want regulation to be able to create a safe and stable market so that the public can invest. This is really sort of the motivating factor of what they want to see out of Washington, rather than competition with China, being the global leader in finance. Americans really want to see Washington take this role of creating stability in the crypto markets, because clearly what we see from this year is that that's been lacking.
Right. And then crypto's got such a wide range. I mean, there's what's the dog coin? I mean, not Doji, the Shiba Inu, and then there's Bitcoin, and then there's the other side of everybody else.
Right, right. So the knowledge rate, or sort of the understanding rate, the pickup rate for other terms like Web3 or digital assets or NFTs, the public and voters are very, very low in sort of understanding those terms. Crypto is the word that they know, the word that they use, and it has become sort of the catch-all for the entire industry, even though, as you and I know, it's very differentiated.
Right. Okay, Ylan. Thank you.
Okay, we got a lot more coming up on Squawk Box this morning. We're going to talk about Google and